Boom! Say the beat drop.
Yes, sir. Make the joke go crazy. They be spazzing with the joke. They be
that
spazzing
joke.
with the joke. Nigga, I'm saying you can just drag it from there.
I know. That's what I was gonna do, but you were
I
fucking
didn't know.
up.
You was clicking down there. You was about to exit
I'm
out that
dead,
joke.
bro. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
bro.
Just go and click
Bro,
that
this
shit.
nigga was fucking.
Recently added.
It was. This was about to grab you, fucking dumb bitch.
Yeah, and you was about to exit out of that joke.
Yeah, this nigga was
That's
fucking
it.
up.
What did you do, nigga? Yeah, put that shit up higher. Gotta move it higher.
Higher?
It was faster, wasn't it?
I mean, it wasn't that fast. It's kind of like this.
Let me see something. I wanna see something.
Oh, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Bruh, this mouse is wild, bruh.
Right, you just spamming it. It's very, very sensitive.
I know it's so sensitive, bruh. What the fuck am I doing? I'm on pattern 2.
Bro, what the fuck?
Give it a go. Give it a go.
You gotta get like a mouse pad.
Better pattern.
Oh shit, damn,
Next
nigga.
step.
Nigga wildin' again.
Yes, sir.
Alright, it's just for now. I'm gonna get a little spicy with it. I'm just trying to get the bass sound down, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh, I got some ideas, bro. Hold on, bro. I got some ideas. Oh, hold on. Let me see. Hold on. I got you.
Doesn't really go with the beat though, you know what I'm saying?
Let me see. You think, if you don't think so,
No, I'm saying
I
just,
got you. Hold on.
just listen to it. Like put it on. You see how this just you saw the clap just goes, like it blends in with it, you know what I'm saying? I know what I'm saying. I'm saying it's like it's hard, but it isn't like the clap just goes with the beat, you know, that's all I'm
Yeah,
saying.
I don't know. I don't think that's never go that far.
What if the velocity of the clap?
third string, second string, first string.
You know what I'm saying?
Throw the alley. You gotta throw it at the body so in case it hits them.
Yes, sir. Wait, give it some more low, give it a little bit more low end. Oh, that's a lot of people. There you go.
I have no idea what the fuck you're doing right now. I've seen Kenny open that shit though.
Yes, sir. That's a G code, I swear. Bro. It's just literally you can't figure out what note to do other than F at the moment. I kind of had a little rhythm going in my head, but I can't lay it down right now. We're gonna try to figure it out. I know it's gonna come to me. We continue, but I'm trying to figure it out. You know what I'm saying?
Go another one. Let's make another beat. Let's make another beat. I mean, find another beat.
Alright, nah, this guy, I got to see this one
Just
more
save
time.
that shit.
One more time.